Hi guys, it's Winnie the Joe. So, I am so very excited right now. I got a package. You'll be able to tell from the title what it is. Sorry I look like a mess. I was just very excited. I want to film this right away. So, here it is. My package. Obviously I blacked out my address, or blued out my address, but it is my GC2B binder. I had a binder before. I had the half number 4 nude, I think. But my dog ate it. Still don't know how he ate it, but he ate it. So, had to get a new one. And this is a different one. So, you will be surprised. Let's do it. I'm so excited. GC2B, their customer service is like, shocks me every time. Me and my sibling both have binders from there. Well, as I said, mine got eaten, but, you know, whatever. And now I have this one. Their customer service and their, like, email confirmations and stuff are just so nice and, like, comforting. What is this? That's just order confirmation. And they give you these little cards. They're so cute. My sibling has them on their cork board. Where's the other one? Usually it comes with 2. Oh, maybe not. And it has the care on it and the stuff you shouldn't do. Everything. Really cool. Love it. Ooh, it smells, but it'll always smell. Ooh, I'm so excited. Here it is. I got the black tank binder. I got it in 4X. That's not for all the people who are going to call me fat. That's not like a stomach weight. It's measure of your shoulders, your chest size, that kind of thing. Last time I got a 5X, but it was too big and it didn't bind correctly. But I didn't want to send it back because I'm scared of interaction with people. So the actual binding part stops here. You can see the seam. And then this is just fabric. So you can wear this by itself, like as a shirt. So I'm going to pause this and put it on and then tell you guys what I think. Okay. I accidentally ended the other video, so I don't know if this is now going to be 2 separate videos or if I can find a way to put them together or what. But anyway, I can't really refilm the unboxing because, you know, can't put it back in the box and fake it. So this is the binder. It is so nice. This is tight on me. All binders are supposed to be. My other one was loose, and that was not what it was supposed to be at all. Yeah, I love it. It's like crazy to be flat. It's nice. Let me put my other shirt back on over it. I'm in my pajamas. I'm like literally wearing boxers right now. Oh yeah, do you see? Obviously you're not going to be like paper flat, but it's nice. And it's a kind of like swimsuit material, I'd say. So it's breathable. But yeah, it's really nice. I was planning, since I got the tank binder, I was going to wear just the tank and like leggings to Pride this year. But wearing it, it's very clingy and tight and kind of shows off my belly. So we'll have to see. Maybe I still will, maybe I won't. We'll just have to see how I feel on the specific day, you know, confidence-wise. But yeah, this is a short video, but very exciting. my hair looks a mess, but yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked it, like it, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Bye!